Manulo ta sa ating bulaklak. Magandang gabi po bayan. Nandito na yung bulaklak ng ating dragon fruit. Ayan, meron dito. We have one here. And she's beautiful. Ay, tomorrow, we'll check tomorrow. She will be more open. Yan. You are very pretty. Yan, oh. O, tingnan mo, oh, yung ilalim, oh. Yan. Yan pa.